Hi, everyone. Okay, so I know, I owe you some videos, but I thought it would be cool to come on here and do a box opening. Haven't done any of those recently. So there are two boxes. I have to admit that this came out a while ago, but I couldn't find it. So for whatever reason, it is now available, and I thought you should see it. And we'll see it together in person. Oh, this is cute. Venus. Venus Williams. I know, I need to, let's see if this light makes it better. Um, okay. Maybe the candle makes it better. I don't know. I'm sorry. Venus Williams. I'll see if I can do another light. My lighting is terrible. I think she looks good. I think that she looks amazing. I don't know if I like the knees as much because you see how distinctive the knees are. They're not, I don't know. I love the detail on the shoes though. Oh, you can't see the shoes. Okay, so the detail on the shoes. See if this helps. Not helping. Anyway, the details on the shoes is really nice. There's a little green amulet kind of thing at the top. Very, very cute. I think it looks like her. I think it does a really good job at looking like her. Yeah, I think they did a good job. Um, they copied it off of one of her infamous looks. Venus Williams was not the person who was not the fashion trendsetter. That was her sister. So, okay. But this is the one that I actually went to Target to get. Um, so let's see. My girl Angel. Okay. It's moving. I don't think it looks like her. So I think that's a dilemma. But the shoes are her latest shoes, not her first pair of shoes. Which her first pair of shoes were kind of cool, but not, I don't think, good for basketball court, which is kind of strange. She has pink nails and the one sleeve. I don't, mm, this is the funny thing, y'all. She got edges. That's funny. Um, this is her back. This is the back of it. I mean, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. I don't think it does her justice. I think she looks better, but I'm all for it. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Have a good day. I will probably not come with the video. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the Odyssey done before Saturday. That's my goal. Saturday Odyssey. And then I need to also do a video on the Supreme Court and the 14th Amendment. So that's another thing that I'm gonna definitely end up doing by next week. I believe that wholeheartedly. So have a great rest of your day.